for their display, which gives me time to once again was a very successful trainer on the world market, and the British Aircraft Corporation, BAC, developed from the Mark V jet promise a dedicated light attack variant. The aim was to sell it to countries that weren't able to afford to buy or to operate the more expensive and complex frontline types of the day, but it would also be suitable as an advanced jet trainer, making it all the more cost effective. So they strengthened the airframe and gave it extra armour protection for operation in the sort of challenging low-level roles that it would encounter. They fitted an uprated version of the Rolls-Royce Viper turbojet engine and, of course, 4 underwing weapons hardpoints, which would carry bombs, gun packs, drop tanks, and so forth.
Very right.
Astern for the Ecuadorians, the South Yemenis, and particularly the Omanis went to war in these aeroplanes. And the Sultan of Oman's Air Force, as it was then, Strikemasters, were very heavily engaged in something called the Dhofar Rebellion, a conflict in which communist-backed rebel forces, known locally as the Adu, meaning the enemy, were trying to take over the Dhofar province of Oman from the control of the Sultanate. The Strikemaster was a huge step up in capability compared with the piston engine Percival Thomas it replaced in Omani service. There they are, rolling through the twister. Of course, the jet-powered Strikemaster was much quicker than the piston engine Promise, so it could arrive on station to support ground troops much more rapidly. Strikey split. One from the left, and there's the cross. One that's off to the right at the moment, commanding the Spanish Strikemaster, which was one of 24 supplied new to the then Sultan of Oman's F-86, which makes it newer than the Hawks and the Red Arrows that we'll be seeing later. Went on to the British Civil Register in 2005. Now, the other aircraft in the duo, which is the one that's now going to be running in from the right, is ex-Royal Saudi Air Force Strikemaster. The fuselage comes from an ex-Saudi Mark 80A. come towards the end of their display. As the smoke and the lights go on once again. And the cloud base allowing them to do their vertical finale, so pulling up with smoke on. Very nice. Find out more about their activities by going to Sudan, and in the arena, the field gun demonstration run by personnel stationed here aboard HMS Heron will be taking place in the arena. That's followed in the arena at 12:40 by the band of Her Majesty's Royal Marines from Plymouth. Very smooth performance indeed. Mark Petrie bringing to a close the display by the two BAC Strikemasters.